Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Ocean City local and long-distance movers near me. How do you choose your moving company to help you with the packing and moving process? Whether a long-distance move to a new state or overseas, start your moving journey with 3 men and a truck. We are experts and will ensure that the moving process is carried out efficiently. We provide you with the services for loading, packing, unpacking, and transporting your belongings to your new destination. We supply packaging material to pack your belongings with ease. We are always punctual and complete the moving process as soon as possible. Our transport and provide an upfront moving quote ensure the right cost for your move without any cancellation or delay. We keep your equipment and belongings safe and secure from any risk of damage. We have well-maintained and trained staff. Hiring a professional moving company for a local move isn't necessary, though you will have plenty of benefits when you ask for help from a moving company. With the help of local movers like 3 men and a truck, you will save yourself from injuries caused due to heavy lifting. In addition, you will save a lot of time as the most efficient team will be doing the work for you faster than ever. 3 men and a truck make your local move much more suitable and easier. In addition, we will help you settle into your new home much faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Ocean City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.